got 12 guys for the challenge, and we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, are we good? Are we ready?
Yeah, I am.
All right, cool. So now let's take a look at Artemosis. Artemosis is like the first guy on my list.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna start with this guy. So let's just check out the tweets. First things first, the tweets. Okay, he says he submitted 21st September. My entry video, September, blah blah blah. Look at the entry video. We won't have the time to go through everybody's entry video, but yeah, there's no need to even go through the entry video. We'll just jump right into it. So this is the guy. So where is his link? This is his own link. Okay. So we'll just start from here. So everybody would have, okay, or we can just use mine, sha. I think this was the guy. This is the guy okay, this is a different guy. So look at his own here, and home, products, benefits, subtle animation. I like this. How colorful this is, contact sales. So I don't know. I think I have an issue with this contact
Hello,
sales.
hello, David.
Yeah.
So I think we are finding like the errors made, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I will document that down, their names,
Yeah.
like to have their errors documented. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Just for everybody who want go through, you just write the person's name, then every issue we will note. We would go through everybody's own, then pick the first three where we know say we like the top three. 1, 2, 3. Then out of those top three, we'll now pick the best, the number one. So generally, this is the first step, is go through everybody's own, note down their errors, what was wrong with it. Then as we are going through everybody's own, their own errors and stuff, then second one is to take the first three, top three. Then we'll now judge those top three and pick the top one, and that's it. You get?
Okay. Yeah. The first one is
Yeah, this is Artemosis. Sure, you get this Artemosis own. You guys, as we are looking at it together, you guys can also open it, the link, and we'll just figure things out. Comparing it to the actual design. Comparing it to, because it has to be compared to what, which is the actual design. And if you look at this get started button here, compared to this guy's, where is it? His button. Contact sales, this hover stuff, there's not enough space in here.
The padding.
Yeah, the padding, yeah, exactly, the padding. Because all those small things, I did really look at those things, I love how it did. Yeah, I love how it did. Even the alignment here, I don't think the alignment here works.
Yeah.
Because if you look here,
I think not properly aligned.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's not aligned. You see here, so all of these things, you just take note of alignments and padding issues. Let's have a look again. But yeah, generally it's a great job. I like what he did. Generally, it's a really great stuff, great design. I just have issues with his button. Even this whole button thing, say, doesn't make sense. The kind of animation he used for this button doesn't make sense. And look at this, his arrow. This arrow is not the best arrow to use. It's like the arrow they shrinked, like it did. I don't know. It's distorted. You could have just downloaded the arrow from here and use. So in case he's ever watching this video, all of these little details, matters. The kind of art, the kind of icons you use, intentionality about the design generally. Even this digital, you see how this digital has like a gradient effect. Gradient effect, but I don't think his own has it. I think it does, or it doesn't. I don't think it does.
I think it has, but not properly done. I think.
Yeah, exactly, not properly done. So if we keep going now, this section, this button, I don't know why would you do such a thing to your button. I mean, consistency in your buttons, right? So this is also a no for me.
And this read API docs, I think after doing the transition, it did not have after adding the animation, it didn't have the transition. You can tell it did this transition, this button, from the overstate.
Yes,
He added this animation from the overstate, but after adding something from overstate, it's supposed to now add transition, so it can
transition.
To design.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And this animation is always happening, which is not supposed to be.
Like the fading, or was it?
Yeah, the fading. Yeah, I mean, why would you, So that's too. So yeah, I think that is enough judgments. This one's to the button, to gel. But yeah, overall a good job. Overall a good job. And this, I don't like this. I don't like this. There's no transition to this this
It just snaps.
yeah, it just snaps. If I check websites with just this without transition, I just don't feel it that much. So yeah, and also compared to this, if we want to go to judge, it has to be
Same
like
height.
this.
Same
Like
height.
the design. Yeah, it's the same exactly. So when you click on it, it turns to a minus sign. You click on it, it goes back to a plus sign with a black something. So yeah, I think this should be enough judgments. Let's just take a look at the mobile screen. Let's look here. This is not bad, but yeah, the same padding thing again. Padding issue, and this the mobile is not bad. It's good. It's not that terrible. So yeah, so that's all for this guy. That's all for him. So just take note of everything that we've said so far. Yeah, we'll just move on to the next guy. Now the next guy is John Oche. I think I like this guy's work because I already previewed it before. So we're just going to open his work and see directly. I think I see an error here. I don't know what this is. This line thing here. I don't think it's on our design. It's just, it's just a human being hand with this. But so far, so good. Let's see. Oops. Okay, let me close this. Okay, this is all. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I love how he did the digital. He did it well. This is good. This is quite good. I love the subtleness of this animation, of this, text, this nav color. I love it. I love what he did here. So far, this is the only thing I find weird. And this is, I don't know. This should be a movable component. This logo part should be moving, I think. But
Like a vacuum.
yeah, exactly. Should be a movement stuff. But that's by the way, and just keep going. This products our solution for you. Okay, let's check. Products did it well, solution for you, everything. Read API docs. So yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. How about that product heading? The gradients, someone has to pay attention to details very well.
Yeah, I think he did it. Or not. I think he did it. If you notice, if you look closely, I think he did it. But the font.
Font
Yes.
weight.
Yeah, exactly. His font weight is bold, while from the design is not bold. So these are the things also. So take note of that. The font weight, kind of that, and what else do I see? This is pure white text. Read API docs. Even the read API docs. Let's go back to the norm. Okay, read API docs. Not bad. Banking as a backing. Is it backing or banking? So you see, he said backing instead of banking as a service. See that small typographical error. Even though I would not use that 100% to judge him, but yeah, that is also something we need to be mindful of. He said backing as a service because I'm very particular to all these tiny things. In fact, it's the little things for me, man. These little things. So yeah, but aside from that, his delivery was good. But here, notice how this text, his own, is spanning across like this, but the design is a little bit cut out. See, anytime, then make payments and all of that. So that is also something I always consider. It's supposed to be cut from here. So that is also something. If I want to judge, that is a big deal for me because we need to worry ourselves.
The maximum width of the container or the text.
Yeah, exactly. The container, I need to guard the container to have a maximum width or something. Because, and I wouldn't advise you cut the text by hitting, you break it. I don't advise breaking of text like hitting enter. That is also something because if you hit enter, it's going to affect, responsiveness. It's going to affect the
Mobile and the rest.
yeah,
Yeah.
it will affect it. It's crazy. So it's good here, but let's check iPad for instance. Yeah, I think I love his the responsiveness of his stuff. He did a good job, but this is kind of tiny, the text. But yeah, so let's just skip at it. Oops, what's happening? So yeah, still going. So this is an issue for me. So Victor, you can take note of that. Melon business. Let's see here. Melon business, the all-in-one POS, banking, all of that.
Let's check the all-in-one stuff. So, like, I don't think they're getting the gradients very well.
What's that? The all-in-one, yeah?
Yep. There's a lot of issues.
Yeah. And this is so big. The all-in-one is so big.
Too big.
Yeah, too big. Shouldn't be. And even the gradient, I don't think he got the gradients for the. Okay, I think he did. He got the gradient for that. So benefits, why you should work with us. Let me see. Benefits, why you should work with us. It's looking good. I think also this thing to consider, the same thing I complain about, this whole text width, the container width and all of that. You see, his own is running across. Everything is running across as one line. So this is a problem for me. Yeah, I think it's a general problem, but I love his execution. I love what he did, the benefits, his mobile is quite good. Yeah, I like this. See, this one has a little bit of transition. I love this. But let me see here. Yeah, not bad. Even though the use of icons, it's not like the best, it's not the best, but it's not bad. I think his own paragraph and everything is running across like this again compared to this. But yeah, not bad. So that is that about that for, let's take products, benefits, use cases, and company. Not bad. Is it safe? Blah, blah, blah. And the footer. I don't worry myself too much about footer, but yeah. So that's that about that. So let's take note of Oche's design. And let's have a look at, let's see if it's truly him. Yeah, obviously I think I saw his this thing. So he's the one. So this is his. Okay. All right, who do we have next? Who do we have next on our list?
Musa.
Yeah, I don't know. Musa. Victor, would you like to do this one? Or I should just go through everything like that as we do?
Go through. I'll just you might go so. It's a market.
I'm on the wine meal, I beg. So yeah, this is Musa's own. This is looking good. I love the easy in. I love the the subtle animation which it did. You see, this is not bad. This is not bad because I talked about subtleness, subtle animations, just something micro interaction. So I think I like what he did here with this. I love what he did here. Yeah, I see the consistency in his buttons. Hover, everything is like the same. It's no different, stuff. Yeah. This guy killed it. But this product, this digital, he did it well. I love it. This is very clean. I like it. Products, let me check if it's the same thing here as our product. Oops, this one has gradients and this one doesn't have gradients. Nope, not this one. We're done with that one. This guy. So this is good, but his doesn't have gradients. If we look closely, it doesn't. But yeah, let's just keep looking. Okay, this is good. This is also good. But I think
is the alignment okay?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to check now. So I think there's a problem here. But if I check here, everything is aligned like this.
Let's check. Yeah.
Everything is mostly aligned. But his own is aligned here, but it's not aligned. Okay, it's also aligned here. Then this one is off. Let's see if this banking as a service. Okay, I think it's the same thing. This one is also a little bit in the middle, which is good. Okay, I think his alignment works. Yeah, I think he has good alignment of. I think I like this, but this aligning this thing here. Let me see. What? See. I think he got it right because there's also a little bit of padding here, or margin, I would say. So yeah, so let's just generally look at it and see what we can
I think
find.
the space for that FAQ, like that FAQ answer, I think the space is a bit much more than what is in the design.
Where notice this weird space in here. See this plenty space here. See?
And even the FAQ answer as well.
Okay, the answer.
Yeah, you see the spacing is like on the design. Check the design. Let's check this spacing. You see the spacing is just a little bit padding, not really
Like here, right?
No, I'm talking about the FAQ answer. We have the FAQ question and answer. The answer like Menor enables Nigeria entrepreneurs.
Okay.
The spacing like the left hand side margin from that container. It's just a little bit, not that obvious actually. But if you check his own design, you can see
It's too much, Abby.
Yeah, really obvious.
Okay, that's true. Where I have issue is even the spacing, the space between the heading and this line. It's not in the middle. See, it's not in the middle. There's a lot of space in here, but that's not how it is. Here it's perfectly in the middle. I think what he did was he added, if we inspect, if we try to inspect, we would see 11440. Okay, let's have a look at let's see what happened here. Okay, so this is it. This is a div. So this is it. FAQ list, FAQ accordion, FAQ data. I think this should be where the problem is. Flex. I've opened this now. We're going to see the heading. And okay, the font size, font width, line height 1.2, and margin top, margin bottom. I think it should be here. Padding bottom, there's a 0.5.
Yeah, REM.
Yeah, there's a 0.5 rem here, which I think that's what is causing that spacing. I think that should be the issue. I don't know if that 0.5 frame is important here.
Yeah. I'm saying something to the FAQ. I'm saying like the FAQ answer. I think he gave it a fixed width. Or what am I saying from the code say?
The FAQ.
The FAQ answer like class. I think he gave it a fixed width. Have you?
I think so too. He gave it like a fixed width. I think so, which is like maximum width 48 rem. You see? Yeah, maximum. Let's say 50 rem. Oops. Padding top, padding bottom, 2 rem, 2 rem. Let's assume we take this out. Okay, this one is for the top. You said 48. Yeah, I think he did that. While here on the design, it is more than that 48 rem. You see, it spanned from the start to the end, but his own is quite short. So yeah, he did that too. So yeah, this is one issue I know I saw, but aside from that, I think he did a good job. He did a pretty good job. So now let's check for the mobile responsiveness, and let's see. So the mobile view is looking good. Let's compare. See, this one here has the buttons horizontally aligned, but I think his own here is okay. Yeah, horizontally aligned. Good. So good. This is good. Good. Let's see. This is also good. Everything here is looking sweet. This part is tricky, so let me check this part here. Okay, not bad. He did a good job there.
Yeah, can you open his nav menu? Like, let's see his nav
Oh
menu.
yeah, very important.
Yeah.
I like this. I like that. I actually like it. I actually like it. Like I love it. Our design does it have? It doesn't have, but yeah, I love what he did there. I think generally I like his job. This Nwosa killed it. I love this too as well. I love this. So yeah. So aside from the fact that just this heading is not placed in the middle, I think generally this guy did a good job. This guy
Okay.
did a good job. Yeah, he did a good job. He followed everything. You know, the footer. This one is center aligned, and these ones are left aligned. You know, he followed everything. He did everything right. You know,
So
I'm
what do you
impressed. I love. Huh?
what do you suggest? Yeah.
Just say the heading, the FAQ wasn't overall great job. Like everything is perfect, you know. But then, we're just going to single him out. We'll single him out as one of, you know, maybe one of the top three so far. So if we are picking our top three, this guy should be one of them. Because I think his job is kind of clean. I like it. But so far, the only issue we found was the fact that the FAQ section is not aligned.
Alignments.
So yeah.
Yep.
So in
Okay.
case we see something that's more perfect, we'll know that, oh, you did well, ball. So yeah, moving on to the next guy. The next guy is Gerald Design. Gerald Design. Let's check his stuff. Gerald Design. Gerald did a full 100 VH.
100 VH for the Euro section.
Yeah, I did a full 100 VH. So that's the first things first. So this is not entirely 100 VH. It's not entirely 100 VH. But yeah, let's just keep looking. Gerald did a full 100 VH, and this is it's not bad. This is
Maybe
not
the
bad.
client first, actually. Maybe like,
Huh?
I think maybe he got that from the client first. You know, when you clone the client first, you have it like, you know, a fixed SVH.
Yeah, exactly. Like a follow com stuff. Yeah. So this one, so I don't like this. This is looking. This is there's a glitch. See, it doesn't make sense. So yeah, this is a problem. So moving on. There's this weird lots of spaces here, which you know it's not okay, because the design doesn't have that. So yeah, that is off. So take note of that. So this is also this logo. See, poor alignment is not good. Generally, the work is good. I mean, it just needs a little bit of work here and there, you know. But yeah, it's not bad. I love that he was able to execute it at least to a point. And this is taking plenty time, even though it's not bad. But there's a weird glitch. There's a very weird glitch that happens. Yeah. It's a very weird glitch. Yeah. Click. Nothing is happening here. So, you guys have any reservation or anything at all?
I think that's the issue. Okay. Make the mark it on mobile. That's all.
Yeah, this is the mobile version.
Sorry, is the image left aligned in the mobile view? Like that tab image? No, at the top. Yeah, that one.
So the center aligned.
Okay. I'm talking about the one solution for your embedded financial. This image. Yeah.
This one is more like right aligned though.
Yeah.
Why this one is more like center aligned? So his own is kind of like right aligned, which is weird, and it's distorted. It's not full width. Maybe that's a problem. So there's a problem here. Like this one is good now, center aligned, and this one too is kind of good. This is also good. So yeah. So I just have issue with the FAQ entirely, you know. So there's a glitch thing happening. And footer is good. Let's say the nav too is not bad at all. The nav is not bad. But this whole glitch thing, doesn't work for me at all. So yeah, these are the issues. Those right there are the issues. But I like the subtle animation though. I like how you know. But then, first things first, he did 100 VH, which doesn't work. But generally, it's a good job. He did a very good job and all of that. So yeah, that's that for Gerald. Gerald, you did well. Sound, I don't know.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Olurotimi. Let's look at Olurotimi's work. So we are done with this guy. Olurotimi, let's look at your work. Olurotimi also did 100 VH, and this is not okay. It's not the best. He said Vendify. Weird. Vendify it is, and this is not okay. I don't know where he got all of this from. It's not exactly the best, in alignment, in everything. So we don't have to even look at it too much. But generally speaking, it's a good try. Even all of this doesn't work. This is very, very distorted, and even though I like the transition of his FAQ. Yeah. Okay. Issues. Yeah, Ajide, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, this FAQ is the width okay from the design the FAQ, right?
The width is not even okay. Yeah, exactly. I can't, aside from the width itself, there are other factors that
it's much bigger.
You say what?
I'm talking about the size. The size there.
Yeah, it's a fixed width, which is very small compared to the design. So that is also a factor. That is also something. But I just like the transition. This is quite good. But there, the icon is wrong. The icon is wrong. And let's see the mobile. Let's check it. Let's look at the mobile. The mobile is not so great, like that. Weird spacing here and all of that. So yeah, just I think there's no need, spending lots of time. So yeah, what's his name again? Gerald. Sorry, Olurotimi. You did a good job, but just more practice. If you do this thing 5-10 times, you become so good. So be very intentional about little fixes. Those little details. It's very important. Okay, like this thing. This you won't just span from left to right, which is not what is here exactly. See, there's a break here, and this heading has a break, but yours, so we don't have to spend too much time. So yeah, on to the next guy. So now we are Aisha. Let's look at Aisha's work. Let me close this one here. Let's look at Aisha's work. I think this is too small. This is too small, let's see. And you see there's a glitch also. So Aisha, in case you are watching this, this shaky nav, there are ways you do it. It will not act like this. I think why people miss that is because I think they try to. I think I've run into this error before. Those days I was doing Webflow, those beginner days. I think the problem is that they try to animate they try to add margin. They try to add hover effects on the margin, something like that. And I know I used to have those issues before. And this is too small, and this is a weird space here compared to the design. This is just. I think I made a video of how you can use absolute to solve problems like this, using absolute. So Aisha, you want to work on your absolute scheme, and also the alignment here, the logo is off from this, so you see there's no alignment. Yeah, and also this, and also these two, the fixed width. Okay, so far it's not bad. It's not so bad. I think this image is kind of blurry in a way. Your FAQ. This is not bad though. This is not bad. They want me already.
15 minutes.
But let's see how we can round up everything in 15 minutes, Sha. So yeah, this is not the best, but yeah, good job, Aisha. Good job. Let's look at your mobile view here. What's happening here? This is a very weird mobile view, Sha. Nav. But yeah, I love the creativity. So moving now down. This. Mobile view is not bad. Mobile view is not bad. It's not bad at all. But yeah, other factors must have. There's this factor here. The hero section is too short, and the width of the text, and yeah, this image is kind of blurry so far. Yeah. So that's that about that for you, Aisha. Now let's take a look at Maltai. Let's look at your work. So this is Maltai's work. It's not looking bad at all. You see this hover doesn't have that thing. Everything is working perfectly well. It's not misbehaving that much. But I don't like this, just maintain the same,
It's a glitch there.
yeah. Don't like it that much. But yeah, there's also a weird thing happening here. So take note of this, Victor. This thing here, this image looks distorted. There's a very weird spacing here. The hero section is too large. It's too much of a height. The height is too much. Okay, anybody wants to?
Yeah, the hero image is supposed to touch the edge also from the left, like the design.
Exactly here.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, exactly. I mentioned that. It's supposed to touch. That's that. This thing is so weird and so cringe. This kind of animation is just, I don't know. This Webflow animation, I will just do true. So this is not this is not that bad, but I think the font, this font is off. I think the font is kind of off. It is not bad. It's also not bad. It's also not bad. It's also, I don't like this kind of animation, Sha. Okay.
Like I think a lot of people don't understand. Like you don't need to animate like all the elements.
Yeah, you don't have to exactly, man. You don't have to animate all the elements. Like, bro, this guy animates literally everything. The guy animated he has time to animate every damn element. You don't have to animate all. It's looking like it's like a puzzle game, or So yeah, I don't like the FAQ that much. Don't like the FAQ. So let's look at the mobile view. Mobile view, where are you? The mobile view. This is looking weird. But yeah, the guy animated. Just put excess animation there, and the hero section, the hero image. Yeah, the hero image is not. It's not the best. So this hero image, this thing alone is a disqualifier. So let's look at the next guy. The next guy is Kingsley. Let's look at your work, Kingsley. First problem is this problem here. This is not okay. At this animation, there's a glitch happening on the nav. So everybody did well, but this guy did a good job here, but this animation should not affect this image. So that's also a problem. This and weird spacing here. He did 100 VH. That's a disqualifier. And this too. So there's no need to even look at other things. But yeah, generally he did a very good job. I love what he did. Everything is looking pink. The FAQ is good, but this is not animating, so that's a problem. There's a very plenty space here. That's a problem too as well. So yeah, let's look at the mobile view. So these are the little issues. These smart tiny details are very important. I like what he did here with this. It's not bad at all. So this is distorted image. This is not good. But so far his mobile view is looking good. Yeah, not so bad. Lots of animation all over the place, man. Lots of it all over the place. But yeah, your work is not the best, but it's not entirely bad. So with more practice, yeah. So that's two. All right, so let's look at who else are we looking at? Let's look at Abbas Sunday. Let's look at Abbas Sunday's work. Oh, what the heck? Who are you fighting with? So yeah, the color is not exactly the best. The whole layout is not great like that. The hero section, the height is too much. It's weird spacing here. This image, looking kind of blurry. This melon, this is not the logo. Even though I like how subtle this is, it doesn't even go with the design. The design doesn't have that shadow thingy, the shadow thing I did there. Let me just close all these ones. So that too is a disqualifier. This alignment here doesn't work.
Spacing issue actually.
Yeah, like lots of spacing issues. This also doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. See, it's looking weird. See, the plus and the minus is not in the best shape. So yeah. So that is a disqualifier, I think. We're just going to inspect, activate. Whoa, what's happening? So yeah, that's it for you, my friend. You did well, but a little bit of more work, more practice, and yeah. And all this Bass animation doesn't really work like that. Doesn't work. So yeah, Abbas Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, just check the amount of time we have left. I think maybe you can create another link.
Yeah, let me see. How much time do we have?
We have 8 minutes.
8 minutes, yeah.
8 minutes. Okay, let's just do one more guy. Then
Yeah.
I'll create a new link and we'll continue. Yeah, so that. Let's just do, we're done with Abbas Sunday. We have a few more to go, which is good. Let's do Isaac. Isaac, let's look at your work. Oh, I love this. I think this was one of the best. Let me not be biased, Shabo. Let's just have a look. This guy killed it. Isaac. Okay, who has a say?
This is the first person that animated the logo, actually.
Like, you get this guy really blew my mind. So Isaac, I think you did a good job here, man. I love it. Look how come on, bro. This is what I'm talking about now. See, you hover. You see now nothing is shaking. You see the subtleness. See the everything. I mean, come on, bro. This is clean. Yeah.
Yeah, I think a lot of people, most of the over here are doing like increasing the font size or increasing the font weight or
Yeah,
so. And
exactly.
that breaks the stuff. Actually, because
It affects the yeah. This is really nice. I like this. Come on, you don't have to do too much animation. This is really clean. See, this guy followed everything, followed it to the last. Subtleness.
Let's check who's the beginner.
As this guy, if he be Bado, I'm not gonna lie for you. Yeah, this guy really, he do my mind. He just do the right way. See, now he broke everything. You see, there's no text spanning from here to here and all of that. Come on, this is part of what I'm talking about. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But then I have issue with the line. See this line? This one is thick. This one is not so thick. This one is thick. This one is not so thick. But yeah, generally this is a good job. It's a good job. Let's look at the. So let's look at the mobile view. Mobile view is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. 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 Good job. Good. 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 This is good. Okay, who else? Who wanna?
Number one.
Okay.
I went to Isaac's profile. Now it's one of my guy. Isaac is not a beginner now, but
Isaac, you are not a beginner. I don't understand you. Okay.
Yeah, great job, Isaac.
Isaac, what is the color of your problem? Isaac, why are you doing like that? You're not a beginner and you want to come and suppress beginners, eh? But yeah, he did a very good job. I like it. I like what he did. Really, really nice. Clean. Amazing. Yeah. Let me look at the inspect. Yeah, he did everything client first. Section this, padding global. Container large, padding section. Solution wrapper. Yeah, it's not bad. It's good. Looks good. So just we have like Isaac and Wosa. We'll
Yeah,
keep them
also Isaac. I think
together. Yeah.
Isaac is over. So like he has
Yes.
more maybe
Yeah,
than
yeah, yeah, yeah. He has a little bit more criteria.
yeah.
He did a little bit more of a better job. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So just add him, just put them, both of them together.
Okay.
So yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me send a new link ASAP. How do they do this in Google Meet?
Yeah, we have 4 minutes actually. Let me check. We have how many? We just have two more people. Yeah, create a new link because we're still going to analyze and that's okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me just do a new meeting, create meeting for later, instance meeting, join in now. Copy the link. Let me send it to this old link so you guys can join with this new one. You guys can join with this new one here, and I think this guy is supposed to. Yeah, you guys can join with this new one. Yeah, let me stop presenting this old one and log out this old one. So yeah, new one. Okay, this is the new one. Let me share my screen again. I'm sharing my screen now. Hide. Move this one here. So yeah, so we have Isaac and we have Musa side by side, two of them. So let's pick a new guy now and have a look at their job. So we have Lake Queens. Lake Queen, let's look at you. Oops, this line here, this is weird. This is very weird. It is good. You try to animate it, but it's good. And the hero section is too short compared to this. This is like how it should be. See, this guy did the alignment thing. Very nice. The guy like followed. The guy just said, I must chop this money. But this is not. Oh, my guy animated his melon, which is not bad. Just thanks for being creative. I kind of like this too, kind of like this, but see that. It's also not bad, but there's a lot. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I think like it would have been a better build, but all these animation they are not like the consistency is not like
Yes.
like Uma like how do we call it like user experience like how do they call it
Yes. Consistency is a thing, you don't have to do different things to achieve different. You have to just, if you do one thing on a particular, like a button, follow it through. You don't have to just be consistent, because it's also part of the principles of design, consistency. Because now you're doing this one here, we're having this here, we're having this style here, like different things going on. So yeah, that's too. So we have this thing here happening here. This animation is like not the best because it starts from very slow to very fast and So yeah, so this one animated everything. The font style is off. The font style is off. I don't think this was how it is. These three different things. I think it's different from what we have here. This is dotted here, and yeah, this top parts. This top parts. This is kind of bold, but it is not. That's not the case here. So we have a font typography problem. Let me close all of this. We have typography problem, and all of that. So I don't think.
I think alignment issue.
Yeah, like alignment issue. The layout is not the best, and let me check again. And the hierarchy, I mean, come on, this is lots of space in here. And the hierarchy, the color, this is pure white and pure white. This is less of white. But what we have here is different. This one here, everything is the same. All of this is different, and there's no lot of margin here. So that too is a problem. Here too, the typography, the font is off, a little bit too big. And this image is blurry. And look at this weird thing happening here. Yeah, so that's that about that. This is not how it is. The glitch, so not. So yeah, but then generally great job. This is good. So with constant practice, who is this again? I think this is Lay Queens. Lay Queens, you did a good job. Just with more practice comes more, you know, more practice comes more. I don't know how they say it, but just continuous practice. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, just if you do this like 5 to 10 times, different websites, trust me, you'll be a god at this. It's just what it is. So yeah, let's take a look at the next person. Here we have 1D. 1D, cool. Let's look at your job, man. I think I'm liking this. This guy did a good job here with this too as well. I kind of like this too. See, problem. But yeah, problem. So, but I like the general hero section generally. I like it. I love what he did here. Ooh, okay. This guy is getting creative with this, but yeah, it's not bad. He used a tab, which is a good, a very good, smart thing to do. I think I like what he did here. I like this too as well. I like it. I like this. I love this, man. I love how subtle it is. I love this, I love this. This guy killed this. I love it. This guy literally killed this thing. This guy literally killed this shit, man. This guy killed it. I love it. So let's take a look at his mobile view. Mobile view is looking good. Not the best though. Not the best. This one is hiding. See, it's a problem here. So, my guy, you need to go back and just touch these few things. Yeah, but aside from that, I love how creative you try to get with this. Yeah, you did a good job. So this guy, I think, should be added to our lists as well. List of top 3. This guy did a good job. So yeah, 1D, I love your work, man. This is not you. So this is you. 1D, you did a good job. You did a very good job. I love it. I love what you did here, man. Love it for you, bro. I love your FAQ. Love your FAQ. Yeah, let's go. Let's have you. Okay.
Yeah. What did he do? Really good job,
Yeah.
I didn't like he texted the website, both on his mobile and stuff.
Yeah.
Noticed the issues. He really did a good job.
Yeah, he did a good job, man. I like his job. So let's have him with the other 2 guys too. Let's add him to the other 2 guys. So code dev. Ooh, okay, code dev. Let's see what you have for us, code dev. Code dev, this is a disqualifier. Code dev, this image looks distorted. But yeah, I love your nav. Your nav is looking good. I love your nav. See this smart guy, huh? See? This is not entirely bad. It's not entirely bad. So let's go. It's a lot of spacing. He did 100 VH, and the spacing here is massive. If only you have done like 70 VH or 80 VH. No, so yeah, that is also not the best. But yeah, you really know your onions. You understand layouts. This is good. Alignment here is good. Think there's a very little margin here, which is not the best. You use the lady. Is it the same thing? I mean, my eyes they pay me. This guy used the lady.
No, I think the same image, but I think the image was maxed. So I think he had has an issue with exporting.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is okay. Yeah, true. That makes sense. So yeah, it's a good one. He did a good job here, and also here too as well. And this too is good, but this is not how it should be. It's too thick, too big, none of that. But yeah, generally good job. I like what you've done here, but compared to the other 3 guys, I think those other 3 guys were like our top 3. Because we're gonna make this quick. So let me look at your mobile view here, and let's see. Mobile view. Oops. What kind of style is this? Even though it's not bad, I love the arrangement here. I love the arrangement. This is not how it should be. Yeah, it's good, but this is not okay. Yeah. So yeah, I believe we've gotten our top three, which is Uosa,
Isaac,
yeah, Uosa, Isaac, and who again, Seth?
one day.
And one day. Good. So we're gonna work with those three. So big up to everyone that did this whole thing. Whoever wins this thing doesn't mean the person. It doesn't mean other people are not, good. Because everyone is a winner at the end of the day. This is just a way to get people excited about Webflow and everything. Just practice more. So we're gonna work with the three guys that we have. From there, we're gonna pick who wins. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna just work with the three guys. So I'll open the three of them. Musa, I'll open your job, your work, open that, and we have Isaac. I'll open your work as well. Second one, and the third one is 1D. So these are our three guys. So we have 1, 2, 3. It's kind of confusing. Musa, you're the one with this. Okay, good. So Musa, Isaac, 1D. Okay. So Musa, this is your work. Musa, you're the first on our list. I love your work, man. I'm not even capping. I love your work. Your work is close to perfect. I love it. I think so far your only issue was just this thing. This space in here, lots of space in here. But aside from that, I think you did a very good job. Execution, everything. So you guys can have a look at it, or in case you have any, feedback. But I'm looking at this now. Okay, let's have you.
Yeah, so the issue I noticed, mostly the stuff is the FAQ section actually. Like small size and the spacing issue. Because that was what I got. Heading gradient issue, section alignment. I think there's a section there, bad alignment.
Where on the mobile?
No, on the desktop view, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, which section?
Yeah, just come down a little bit. Yeah, this one, the one below. No. At the top. Just go back to the second section. Yeah, I think this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see the design then.
Oh, I think that's how it looks.
Yeah, that's how it looks. See, there's that thing too. So yeah. So you see, that's how it looks.
This Isaac guy, sorry, are we sure he's a beginner?
I told you guys, it's not a beginner. I told you guys. I checked this.
This is Isaac. This is not Isaac. Oh, this is a.
Musa.
This Musa. Oh, this is not Isaac. Even this Musa guy self. I think Musa attended my mentorship class, so I knew when he started Webflow. So I kind of know he's like not like a beginner, but he deserves, like, he's part of, I know he's been working hard and building stuff, so maybe he understands one or two. So this guy's job is good. So let's look at this other guy too, which is Isaac. So Isaac, look at your job here. So now where I feel say this Isaac killed a bit is this thing he did here. I love what he did here with this. This is very creative, very, very creative. And also, I don't know, man. I don't know, but this Isaac also killed it. But this is too small. This cost-effective virtual thingy, let's look at it. See, I think his own is too small. This is a little bit bold. This is like 16 pixels, but I think this is a little bit too small, and it's not as bold as it was there. And this thing here that he did here, I don't think it's consistent with his design. This button thing he did here. So that is that. And this thing again is a problem. This glitch it's a big deal for me. Compared to Musa. Musa own is just my only issue is just that this spacing here. But I love the transitioning of his, stuff. So Isaac, look at yours here. And let's look at this last guy now. One day, Cole, man, your job is not bad. I also love what you did here. I love how you did this too. But this has disqualified you from you. I'm not going to lie. Of the three, this thing here is not like the best. This nav doesn't really speak well like that. But I love your creativity here. This is good. Big ups to you, man. This is outside the box thinking. I love everything you've done here. I love it. This is good as well. Good. I love this subtle transitioning. I just love it. It's not all over the place. I also love this, man. I love what you did here with this. If Musa did how you did your own FAQ, then we won't be having problem. So yeah, but I love also what you did here as well, with your shiny, footer. It's really cute. Yeah, let's have you.
Yeah, I said the main issue is this nav menu button, like this nav button. That's the issue I have with it.
Yeah, me too. That's the issue I have here with this guy. Maybe the whole shaky.
Yeah,
affecting this guy. So yeah. So these are the top three guys. So So we're going to decide now among us three. Let's decide. Okay, let's have you.
Yeah, Mr. Michael. So what do you say about this Isaac guy? Because I know
So for me, I think this Isaac guy, he is not a beginner, and he actually did the most justice to the work. He probably approved his skill to chance others. That's what I was saying. Chance. He has chanced them with his skills. I'm not going to lie. He has chanced them. Yeah.
Okay, so Isaac. Okay.
What do you think, Victor?
I think it's the one because it's the one with the least issues. Just for my list here, it's the one with the least issue.
Okay, so we are going to agree that Isaac is not a beginner, Abi?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's Isaac, if you ever listen to this, you are not a beginner, so you shouldn't be here in the first place because I mentioned this for beginners. So I can Alpha. I just joined late and we are like at the closing part. So now we have three guys. We have Musa. This is Musa's design. This is of 12 people that joined. We've gone through everything, and this is the top three: Musa, Isaac, and One Day. So yeah, that's what we have. This is Musa. But now, information reaching me now that this Isaac guy is not like a beginner guy because the guy is already very good. Okay. Yeah. So Michael has to leave now. Michael has one or two errands to run. Michael, thank you very much for your contribution and helping out because I don't really know how I want to do this alone. You guys, this is the best way I know how best to do things like this. So, yeah.
Thank you so much.
This always somebody Michael they run. I just come like this. We cannot talk.
You don't come substitute for them now. You don't come. I think they go, they come. That's how life works.
We'll talk later.
Michael, thanks. Thank you so much, man. All right, now. So yeah. We have these three guys. We have Musa, we have Isaac, we have One Day. But now Isaac will have to go because Isaac is like maybe an expert already in the game. His work is very good. And information. So that is like one of the criteria. You don't have to be an expert. I mean, come on. So yeah. So Isaac, I'm sorry, you have to go.
Wait. I mean, no, man. I wanted to. How do you know someone? I want to know how do you know someone is an expert already?
Not like an expert, yeah. Victor said he knows the guy. Victor said he knows the guy before now.
Yeah, actually. If you go through his build, like you go no say now. There are some mistakes you see in the beginner's build. Actually, you go no say yes. Should get. Okay, just check the link. I'll send the link to you now. Okay.
Okay.
Just check in, just like
Let me check. This is his. Where is he? Isaac. Okay, look at his tweet here. Let me check his Twitter and see.
because that one will be.
Okay. This guy. I know this
No,
guy.
no,
No worry.
Okay.
No worry.
Isaac. Isaac, I know you before now.
But did you write that he was just testing it or it's just really serious about it?
He said, "Now this is my entry for the Dev Master Challenge." So that's his entry. So yeah, and I clearly stated that, you know, the guy will be like, come on, he's not like a beginner. And I even said,
He's a Webflow expert.
he's a Webflow developer. Yeah, he's like an
Webflow expert. That's what I'm saying. Check his portfolio. You see there. Yeah, I just saw it now.
Ah. Isaac, you've been caught. Come
You see, I took out to the experts.
on. No, Isaac, you shouldn't be here, man. Trust me. Okay, that's by the way. So we have just two guys now. We have Wosa and we have one.
Just move the eyes.
Yeah, Isaac, you're off. Okay.
Sorry, can I alpha this and figure that one to my portfolio like this?
I don't think Nothing now confirm branding because it's like people would know and you link it to your Webflow account, like a Webflow community
You
account.
mean this stuff?
Yeah.
Yes,
You
guys.
link it to your Webflow community stuff. Then
Yeah,
anyone that clicks it, you go to the because if Webflow gives you that thing, you automatically have a Webflow.
No, but two things are involved though. Being a Webflow expert and a Webflow partner are two different things. Here you get.
Yeah.
Because Webflow expert he gets criteria to write exam.
No,
Yeah,
we don't do that one already.
yeah, the exam.
You just asking how to put it in it. He has already done it already. Victor already has. He has joined the partner stuff.
Yeah, that one is partners now. That one is partner, and there are two things. There's Webflow partnership program and there's Webflow experts. You understand? This one now, this Webflow experts, you have to submit 3 websites to Webflow. You have to submit all your certificates.
Exactly. That's what Victor did.
Okay.
That's change it actually to
You change it to partner now, not expert.
Okay, they don't have the experts program again.
It's partner and premium or something.
Yeah, you upgrade down. There's a lot of more benefits actually.
Okay, not bad. Yeah, you can 100% add it. It creates more credibility and more, what did they call themselves? More evidence to what you do best. So yeah.
Just add it because it links. If you click on that, like it's supposed to link him to whatever.
Yeah, his personal profile on Webflow. But I think his own doesn't link, so
Its own goes to
straight to his homepage. So yeah. All right, cool. So between for me now, if I want to choose, not to not be biased, I would say Musa.
At least you have reason that you're choosing it. It's not like
Yes. Now we've gone through everything. There's Musa and there is this one has this weird thing with the nav. See, it's shaking. Okay, let's have you.
Let's check the issues. Let me read out the issues from what I got.
Okay.
So almost this ingredients. Just FAQ. I think FAQ issue actually. That's it.
Yeah.
One issue is the button over issue and the mobile view nav menu issue. I think that's actually.
Okay.
So
mobile view, nav menu.
Yeah, this weird thing. So you see.
Wow. They not take care of it well.
Yeah, and the spacing with the plenty. And see, these ones are hiding. So you see, these ones
No.
are hiding.
Let's take Musa's on. Let's see.
Yeah, let's check Musa's one and see. So this is that from Musa. See?
He did from this side.
Yeah, I did from this side, yeah, which is a little bit more creative. You see, and you hover on it, like it's not bad, it's just what it is.
So Vito, what are you saying? I want to you said something about the FAQ issue. I want to know.
Yeah, it's FAQ.
Yeah, it's the FAQ size actually. Check the design. You see
it's not aligned in the middle. You see this line and this text.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the only issue we had so far from the start. that is not in the middle. Aside
All
from
right.
it, that
So I think now, if I'm to make a suggestion, aside from the fact that okay, we want to say this person is the winner, right? Wow, do that again. Is that how it is on the design?
yeah. Plus and minus.
All right. No. I'm talking about the answers there. Like,
No, his own.
I'm talking about just taking the padding from for the answers. All right. Because I'm seeing that it's too much in Musa's one than here. But no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, the padding for the answers. But oh, okay, probably it's just relatively small.
Yeah, so that's the issue. Yes, the FAQ. That's it. That's the FAQ section.
So what I'm just trying to say is this: I don't think if you want, I don't think it's possible for you to give feedback for everybody. Right? It's kind of much. I don't know if you can give individual feedback. You know, go slap well. But then, of course, you can give the first three their feedback, right? Even if they don't, according to the rules, they're not supposed to have payment. They just only the first person, but you need to give them feedback. All right, this is why we think this person came as first, but then he could improve in this and this. Right? So and when you tell the second person, you would have been first, but this and this and this and this would have been okay if you. So yeah, that's just the solution I have.
Okay. Okay, good. So we did from this video, we've gone from the first to the last, analyzing each person's own. Sure you get. So we've analyzed everybody to the last. But then, yeah, our top three were Wande, Isaac, and Musa, which obviously would, we wouldn't just say Musa is the winner and that's it. You know, they'll be like, if I'll drop a tweet, just do an analysis of, him being the winner and other guys to the top three and what we think about, why we did what we did. And also, if they ever refer back to this video, because I also upload this video too, they will get to see, oh, okay, this is what I need to do better because everything feedback was given. Sure, you get feedback. Yeah, we already get feedback. Yeah, Victor.
Yeah, so for my own view, actually, one day tried, but yeah, one day tried. We've removed Isaac from this video actually, so we have one day and Musa. So one day tried actually. I didn't like the story is not just one person actually. Like I had the first and second place. So yeah, I'm just thinking, is there a way we can just appreciate his hard work actually, if it's
Yeah, I think I will.
Okay.
I will. I love how he's creative. This thing he did alone.
He tried. He really tried.
Like he got really creative. Even with this logo here, he got really creative with it. I don't know if Musa did it sharp, but so he didn't do it. And also Musa did not do. He just used an image. So you see, this is why I even rate this guy.
No, the guy tried.
This guy really killed it. This guy.
So if there's a help you could do, right? That could at least, aside the fact that you want to correct some of their works, if there's this help you can help the guy, even if it's not monetary, probably just one-on-one, anyone would
This
work.
particular guy, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it now, and I would just, the two of them are like winners because I don't think I would say one over the other because you get where this guy now passed.
But at least you maybe have to select one person. It's a competition.
Yeah.
Students are winners, but then you select one person.
Yeah, and I like how the clarity of this guy's button, like it's just so clear. The other, the color change and readability. But let me see. Okay, this one is also good too as well.
Yeah, that one did his.
Yeah, it's also good.
Just an accent color, but this one use
Yeah. So yeah, not bad. So yeah, so we are going to go with I feel two of them are like good. Two of them are really good. You understand? Two of them are really really good, and I'll also compensate one day. So this is one day, and this is Musa.
Can I see that? Can I see that document again?
Which one? Okay.
Yes. Where's, I want to see that Musa. Is it Musa A or something?
Yeah, I think Musa.
That's your student.
Yeah, I know now. I was telling Akidi now that this guy is one of my students. Yeah, so the guy, I like.
The guy don't know to go. Like when I saw, there was this work he showed me one certain time. For he recreated this website. Forgotten this website it's this guy that has a website super fast.
Okay, super fast.
Can't remember the name.
Kaya, what's it?
Memorizely.
Memorizely.
Memorizely, yes. The guy recreated that memorizely so well. When he showed me, I said, yes, this was so awesome.
Yeah, the guy is good. The guy, I like his artwork.
No,
Somebody was even asking, "Are you really?"
Are you really?
He's a beginner. May I know that?
Yes, exactly. That was why I told Ajidi that this guy is my student. So I know a beginner. I know a beginner. So yeah. So Wosa, I think you've done a very good job. You've done a pretty good job. Your work is very clean. Your work is super clean, and yeah, I think you kind of deserve. Both of you deserve. I'm not going to allow this guy also go like that, which is a 1D. So yeah, so far so good. The first guy would be Musa, and the second guy would be 1D. Right. So yeah, that's it.
Yes.
So yeah, drum roll. The first position for this challenge is Musa. Musa, you did a very good job again, I would say. And we also have another guy here, 1D. 1D, you are very creative. I love what you did here. Everything you did is also top notch. But for some weird reason, we went with Musa because, we checked some things and there are some little glitches and errors. Not like errors, but yeah. But I'm not going to just allow you go. I'm also going to compensate you. You did a good job. You spent time really doing this, and I can see that. Okay, your mobile view is also good, but it wasn't like the best when it comes to things like this. You see, these are the things people check. So I don't know. It's a long line, love that. So yeah. So this is it, and we've come to the end of the entire thing. Let me not make it too long. I'm sure people want to go and watch and see, what the judgment is on their project. So yeah. So thank you guys. Ekene, thank you so much. Ajide Victor, thank you so much. And I'm going to make an announcement on Twitter and all of that. And then, disperse the cash to the, to whoever. So yeah. You guys don't try. I will do October. I'll also drop insights on the October's own. October's own will be for designers, Sha. I think I have an idea of what I want to do for that, for October. Then whoever wins the October own, the design will now be a challenge for November to develop it. That's the idea in my head. But that's by the way.
All right. I know my guys goes up on that. Don't worry. I get we will jump on that one. Don't worry.
Yeah. That one. I'm also looking forward to it, man. Just bad guys who just want to do their thing. That one said the price fee they increased to maybe 150 or 200k safe. So yeah, that's how serious it will be. So I'll make an official announcement after this whole thing after this whole batch. All right, now guys, you guys are too much. I will edit this video and just pick out excerpts and use to post it.
All right,
now, GD.
Yeah, my boy.
Now, right?
Yeah, bye. Yeah.
All right.
All right, take care.
All right, now, take care, smart.